Biak mal ka Nor Online TV channel ener mala ke nyam kana asin konti lenka rwasni ka Nor Online TV. Biak mal ke jan gwasa me mi jira ma jidit ka Nor Online TV channel go jen o jinder subscribe mi ken subscribe no wen ka mi jira ma jidit ba dir je nywak ni ko kien kan ler kon la non ko gwasa me ka dir notification bell dir trying ko be ler kan mala chachup ko gwasa dan pai ka worech gore jen o ba jinder ya comment ka kor ka mishi video chidelin ke men no ko jen o de do de lar kaler ban lingwasa me breaking news re which Katush County kan Unity State kama Yom County na me lere me toka kam ne de kontin la yen hok tila yen hok ngwana nwari kene ngwana jani ka dobran cha kula je gwas me jen gore mo en woban yoga yakel kaler dana cha latere which ka South Sudan ban je linkel report me ne de kon la de ka authority tindere which ka Warab State ka jelere me bana rocha ka tokna ka ban je nyogomu wo kon link ka tok English ka kore kawre chalat gwasa me link kona me chala do ne ne diok chakanak kane baro ti chamu ka bot tidit en gwada dan tore ko moten gwada nan tore ko moten gwad me chaok chako peyten re wika South Sudan en gwada an tore ko moten ne diok ti chiliu kane baro ti ka bot tidit area ko mo tuoka kam ngwen jani kene ngwen nware aka roba dan chalat keje ken ngwen jani te ka Tush County ka Warab State ken ngwen nware te ka Unity State kama Yom County jen kan gota kona tikaten chalaro ne ka jeri podana chano ne te content te ka long ka Warab State tela jang ikala do ne ngwen ma Yom County tela ngwen nware chika jen shikan jang dang diok no jang diok jang dang diok tila yen ok kete tere ok an winemi chicken jang diok nak ka dobran chalat keje la ne de konte ka Tush County chicken ne diok nak ka chicken ne diok chicken ne baro ko kinji kana mo ka boti dit ka raj dana chalat no kane to wajen kan kama Yom County la ngwana nuari kane tin kontin waok waka page re which ka Warab State ka Tush County chala do ken chi ok chop ke kino wal chicken kana 10,000 head chicken kana karodian kel chicken ga page gwada danen chicken ne diore kan nekten na me report mi shala da re which winemi kala da jang tinte re which ka Warab State chikala do tuori ga me ka chan kan wan ka jok kan paiwa ajan gwada da ne tok no maka jang gwada me man chakulat gwasa me wa not meka na ke wun mi shala amol ka yena amol ke bul kana tote ke 3 kilometer ke 3 kilometer dang jok ke to Raleigh town jine de kodi la officially kan la ro nena jane kan ne ti ke ngane nware ti chakanen ga changa diok ka jok kama Yom County jen kan kan ka Tush kan no nang tong mi kan no page rol jane John Mabure Tush County acting county commissioner shalat rajamo chalat ke Friday no nene ajani ongwan la kem no on dangwan la kem ken ki weekend dangwan te ka ok kan din kona cha target la mishala mol ka yen ka mol ke bul kene ka kan wi to ne kan wi ko nan cha cha nang tan ok ya nang ka ok kin dang wol ko dobran chalat ke je jene cha ne diok shagat na kan gwaza mo kane ton kane ko nan tila juho kane baro ko kin cha mu ka bot jene cha ji bon cha nan kama the Teresa Medical Center ka Raleigh town ko ba ga mu ka walan winimi janji ngane to rojen ngana Unity State ka dobra ni kanat ka je gwa baje kwen yo gwa me ka to English ka dobra na cha ler mu cha no ga je ko ba ji linga ne konte la ler la kan kalen authorities in Warab State, Tush County, and Unity State, Mayom County have reported that army youths believed to be from Mayom County killed 3 cattle skippers, wounded 7 others, and make off with more than 10,000 head of cattle during raid on Thursday. The attack took place in the area of Amol, Ayena Mall, and Bull, located approximately 3 kilometers from Raleigh town. Officials say the army group was spotted on Wednesday in Mayom County, moving toward Twish before carrying out the raid. John Mabur, Twish County acting county commissioner, said on Friday the 4 cattle camps were targeted in the attack. 3 people were killed while defending their livestock and 7 others were injured, and the wounded were taken to the Mother Teresa Medical Center in Raleigh town for treatment. The army criminals from United States, particularly Mayom County, were seen around River Lowell, heading toward Twish County. The Mayom authorities had alerted us prior to the incident. Mabuse said the attack killed 3 cattle defenders, injured 7 others, and fled with over 10,000 head of cattle. He added that the raid targeted cattle camps in Amol, Mayen Amol, Quech Amol, and Bull. I reported the incident to the acting governor and we shared the information with the Mayom County Commissioner to mobilize forces to recover the stolen cattle, Mabur explained. Mayom County Commissioner James Lilly confirmed the attack, describing it as a criminal act. He emphasized that there are no underlying tension between the two counties, which have historically maintained peaceful relations. Our relationship with Twish County has been peaceful since the time of our ancestors. However, army criminals are responsible for this insecurity, Lilly said. He noted that the Terechong Army Group joined the government during the administration of former Governor Dr. Nguyen Montreal, but some members of the Bull Nuer faction remain active in the area. Lilly said Mayom County authorities had warned the Twish counterpart about the army use heading toward Twish to raid cattle. We shared this information with the Twish County Commissioner to prevent such incident, he added. Jandan chalinga me kani shakan ne content ka Mayom County kano ne to kani de kon nan ka okti chop ke kinwal na me janana go de nyaa kel an biata mal bye bye.